In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another phone to Find My iPhone 2025 using some easy steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have enhanced the security of your devices, making sure you can locate them whenever needed, which is crucial in our increasingly digital world. First, you'll want to ensure that Find My is set up on the new device you're adding. Take the iPhone you want to connect and head over to Settings. You'll see your Apple ID name right at the top. Tap on it to gain access to your account details. Make sure you sign in with the same Apple ID that you use on your main iPhone. This consistency is key because it links your devices under the same account, allowing Find My to track them seamlessly. Now once you're signed in, scroll down and tap on Find My. In there, you'll specifically find My iPhone. Make sure this is turned on. To enhance the functionality, also ensure that Find My Network and Send Last Location are activated. Find My Network is particularly useful as it lets your device be located through other Apple devices, even if it's offline. Sending the last location is a great safety net. It allows Apple to store the last place your phone was when the battery was critically low. With the Find My feature now configured on the new phone, let's move on to sharing your location with another person, perhaps a loved one or trusted friend, for added peace of mind. On your main iPhone, open the Find My app. Once inside, look for the plus button. This is your gateway to sharing your location. Tap it and choose Share My Location from the options provided. Next, you'll need to select the user with whom you wish to share your location. You can choose their contact from your list, ensuring that they are connected to your Apple ecosystem. This is a thoughtful gesture that not only provides security, but can also be incredibly convenient if you need assistance finding any of your devices. After choosing the user, hit Send. This will send them an invitation to start sharing your location data, effectively linking your devices for mutual tracking. Once location sharing is established, whenever you need to check on the whereabouts of the new device or any other linked devices, simply open the Find My app. Everything will be visible at a glance, granting you peace of mind, knowing you can quickly and easily track any device you've connected to your Apple ID. These steps are straightforward but incredibly effective in managing and safeguarding your devices. By following them, you've now solidified your ability to track your Apple products, empowering you with greater control and security over your digital tools.